Hello student, morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. As you know, the topic is going on image formation by concave mirror. I have discussed the fourth cases in previous video. Today I am going to discuss the fifth case of image formation by concave mirror. In this case, fifth, position of object. First, position of object. In this case, the position of object at focus. Let this is concave mirror. This is pole, focus point and center of curvature. The position of object at focus. Let this is object AB. Place on focus. A ray of light start from point A and travel parallel to the principal axis. As you know, if ray of light travel parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it always pass through the focus point. This is reflected ray. Now, to find the image, there is a need one more ray, because as you know, the image is obtained where the intersection of rays of light after reflection will take place. Let another ray start from point A and its incident on mirror such that after reflection it passes through the center of curvature. As you can see, according to ray diagram, these rays of light travel parallel to each other. It means these rays of light never intersect to each other. It means the image is obtained at infinity. Okay, so it means the position of image at infinity. And the position of image in front of mirror, so it means nature of image real and inverted, because as you know, the real image is always inverted. And size of image is enlarged with respect to object. So you have to note all these 4 points: position of object, position of image, nature of image and size of image. This is very important for your board exam or any other competitive exam. you have to draw this ray diagram also, because in some questions you have to complete the ray diagram, some missing part is given and you have to complete the ray diagram. So both position, size and nature and ray diagram is very important, so you have to note all this in your notebook. So now I am going to discuss about the last case. And this last case, the position of object. The position of object between F and P. What you can say, between focus point and pole. Between focus point and pole. So for ray diagram, draw a concave mirror. And this is focus point, this is curvature. In this case, the position of object between pole and focus point. Let position is this. Pole, focus and curvature. Position of object between focus and pole. That is object AB. A ray of light starts from the top of the object and travel parallel. The ray of light travel parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, the reflected ray to pass through focus. According to the definition of focus point, the parallel ray always pass through the focus point. Now there is a need another ray, because as you know the image is obtained by intersection of two rays. Let the another ray incident on pole. Reflection will take place and the reflected ray move like this. You can see the image move like this. It means these rays of light never intersect in forward direction, never meet or intersect in forward direction. But you can see, if we produce these rays of light backward, then we can see they intersect at a point. So let's use the rays of light behind the mirror. So you can see image is obtained behind the mirror, and this is the image. So you can see clearly the image behind the mirror. This is A dash, B dash. So position of image behind the mirror. Nature. So this is behind the mirror, it means this is virtual in nature. And the upside is similar to the object. It means this is erect. Virtual and erect. This is the nature of image. And size. About size, you can see clearly. This is enlarged. Bigger than object. So this is the position of image, nature of image, and size of image. And this is ray diagram. This is very important ray diagram because only in this case, for concave mirror, the image is virtual and erect. So this is very important. You have to write this position, nature and size, and also the ray diagram. Okay. So in my next video, I will explain about image formation by convex mirror. Thank you very much.